Hi guys, Rafin, welcome back to techbeatph.com. And today we're going to do a review on the Oppo Enco W11. So do stick around the video as we do unboxing and taking it around. Okay guys, we've just finished the unboxing. As you can see here, the Oppo Enco W11. So you can see here, it's really nice and snug. So it can hardly feel the weight. So let's take it around BGC and see if it's nice canceling performance, if it has one, and its overall sound quality. So just stick around for it.
I've been using the earbuds for a couple of days now. The clarity of the audio and the snug fit really stands out. The mic also has a nice pickup, being used in meetings, Zoom meetings, or Google Meet. You can get the Oppo Enco W11 earbuds for free with the Oppo A55 smartphone. We here at techbeatph.com gives the Oppo Enco W11 earbuds a silver rating for its long battery life, dust and water resistance, and amazing audio with superb bass.